Hello and welcome to Skyworld. Samuel Joseph Wurzelbacher, who became known as Joe the Plumber, after pushing then-Senator Barack Obama on his economic policies during the 2008 presidential campaign, has died, according to his family. He was 49. When I met Joe, he was already known by everyone else as Joe the Plumber. But he wrote something to me that stood out and showed me who he truly was. Just Joe. He was an average, honorable man trying to do great things for the country he loved so deeply. After being thrust into the public eye for asking a question, his wife, Katie Wurzelbacher, said in a statement provided to CNN,